Terrain Mixer 4 is coming, and here are just some of the features. It is an entirely new system, not just an update. It is mostly geometry based. Greater flexibility with a lot less UI elements. 5 times faster workflow. Height sources with better details. Faster generation of complex scenarios. It works with Cycles and Eevee. It works on almost any UV-equipped mesh shape. Multiple terrains in the same scene. All the crucial operations are happening inside a single workspace. You can scale the whole terrain or any part of it. There's a lot more to come. My tests have proven that this new version will be a lot more powerful compared to all the previous ones, but the most important change is ease of use and flexibility. Following Blender's own philosophy, this new terrain mixer will allow you to build your own workflows and terrain mixing logic. Have in mind that this is not just one of the updates. Everything that worked well so far is being rebuilt from the ground up. If you didn't like the terrain mixer workflow in the past, you will now. If you did like it, I promise that you'll love it from now on. My goal is to give you a simple to use yet powerful enough tool that will make you fall in love with the terrain creation as a process. Right now, I'm mostly focused on simplifying the terrain surface deformation and terrain mixing techniques, but the new texturing and compositing tools are already in the making. At some point, I will dive deeper in providing a solid scattering tools that should be a significant upgrade to what we had so far. Some current terrain mixer tools will be improved and added to the new version. This whole process takes time, and your support will be crucial in this phase of the development. For those of you who haven't heard about the terrain mixer in the past, feel free to check the current version, which is free to download. There are paid upgrades, but you don't need them to understand the concept. Try it out, aware of the fact that everything will be faster, better and easier to use in this new version of the add-on. It is not about adding new features, not at all. It is about simplifying the process, changing the workflow for the better and ditching all the things that got in your way in the past. Although already super powerful, it is still in the development, and I invite you to join other supporters to gain early access. I have published a Patreon page just a few days ago, as well as a separate Discord server for my patrons, so don't waste any time and check the links below the video. With your help, it will allow me to continue the development of the existing tools that you use and also to deliver my other tools, not just terrain mixer updates. This is what I plan to offer: direct support, tips and tricks, educational content through videos and tutorials, landscape tools, hard surface tools, 3D assets, texturing tools and textures, concept art and design, character design, real-life prototyping and production, and better Discord experience. Of course, not all of it each and every month, but expect to get a great value in return for your support. Content updates will be available to those who subscribe before the release date, so make sure to join on time. The first set of updates will be released very soon, and it should include Terrain Mixer 4 Alpha, 3D assets and video tutorials. While the Terrain Mixer 4 Alpha showcase is still running in the background, I want to explain what pushed me to start a Patreon page. Besides being a tool creator, I'm also an artist and a designer, active in many different creative fields. I have a few passion projects that I've been developing over the years, and the tools such as Terrain Mixer, Bullet and others are actually very important for those projects to come to life. And not only that, all the assets that will come your way are actually assets that I'm building for those projects. You know how it is with passion projects, especially for artists like us. The chances for success are slim to none, but we can't let go of them. In the end, it is more about the process and evolving as an artist than it is about reaching the top. So for me, it is really about keeping the dream alive. The current funding model for my tools never actually worked. Terrain building is just a niche in this huge universe called 3D. Not many people are actually doing it. I think I would make a lot more money building and selling donut generator, but that's not what I want to do. I want to make tools that help me build my dreams and to allow others to use them to build their dreams. And there's definitely something dreamy about building new landscapes or even the entire new worlds. If all this works out, I can promise you that every terrain design, every environment element, building, vehicle, creature, or any other asset will be made with those passion projects in mind, and I hope it will show and that you'll appreciate the effort. Since this video started with the Terrain Mixer 4, let's end it in the same manner. What would you like me to add in future updates? Also, let me know what sort of assets would you like me to build. Are you struggling with a terrain-based project of your own? If so, what kind of video tutorial or advice might save the day for you? Leave your comments below or remain silent until the next update. Thanks for your time and see you soon.